Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. In this segment, I'm going to be going over something called complex samples. Complex samples can be logistic regression, some of the bivariate tests like chi-square, and multiple statistical tests. Some of the major data sets that are available out there, for instance, National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, or even thinking about behavioral risk factor surveillance system. Both of these use weights, and I'm going to show you how NHANES, or National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, provides you with the information that you need to build weights. So in SPSS, there's a menu, and now if you go all the way to Analyze, and then here is the regular regression without sample weights and without complex samples, and then here is the complex samples with and logistic regression with complex samples. Some people want to dive in and has the tendency to dive in and just start conducting regression analyses. However, you won't be able to do so because you haven't created a plan. And I'll give you an example. Logistic regression, you can select that. However, you need to have a plan in advance. So what we do is go to Analyze, and then under Analyze Complex Samples, Prepare for Analysis, the second one down. And in Prepare for Analysis, you have to create a plan. So I'm going to browse through my computer, and as you can see, there's multiple CSA plans that already are there. And then you can name the CSA plan as you see fit. I'm going to use the terminology NHANES 2, and then select Next. Now, these are often strata, clusters, and sample weight. I'm going to start with sample weight and then work our way up. So sample weights, this is from the examination, that's why this is called MEC. This is called INT because this is from the interview. You want to use the examination. So the sample weight is weight MEC 2-year, or if you're using the pre-pandemic, then there might be a similar variable. However, the variable name will be slightly different. It will still start by WT MEC. However, some of these variables, some of this name and nomenclature might be missing. Anyway, let's go to STRATA strata, and if you see over here, strata is SDMV STRA, so that's the code. And then you're looking for clusters, and so when you're looking for clusters, you're looking at this variable SDMVPSU, and these variables, the strata variables and the cluster variables, they actually remain the same throughout the data sets. The only slight difference will be in the WTMEC 2-year. So let's go next, and this was the most complicated portion of your data set. We're just going to keep this as is, not change anything. There's a correction that is being applied. So then you get a final check on what is available and what's not. And then you can hit finish. So now what you've created is a CSA plan, and then you go down and analyze, and now you can actually conduct any analysis that you need to under analyze. I'm gonna show you one more time how this menu is, and then now when you go to complex samples and even want to do descriptives, you actually have a CSA plan there. And here's how you conduct the descriptives. So in summary, I've provided you with the techniques of complex samples and how to apply these to statistical tests when you have a nationally representative data set such as NHANES or BRFSS. This made sense. Thank you for listening.